Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video is something that I've really been looking forward to sharing with you. If you have been coding for a while, you have probably found yourself jumping between your text editors and some of the AI tools that you are using to generate any code snippets or solve some bugs or even do some brainstorming ideas. I have also been doing that. So honestly, after a while, I started to feel, something tedious to switch between the tabs and the editor time and again. So I wanted a way to integrate AI right inside my text editor. Guys, so what I did was I decided to build a plugin for Sublime Text. And let me tell you, this thing is a total game changer. All right. It lets you type any coding prompt. You can write any prompt like JavaScript function to generate random password. You would write some prompt like this in your text editor, and then you can hit some shortcut key. You can change your shortcut key to whatever you want to work with, and boom, the code it starts writing as if you are writing it. All right, I'll show you a demo, don't worry. Imagine never having to copy paste from the browser again, you know, and keeping your workflow super smooth. So today in this video, I'm going to demo it, show you how it works, and also talk about something that helped me solve a huge bug. I mean, not a bug, a huge obstacle while building it. I ran into some, a big problem while building this plugin, and how did I solve it? I'll show you everything. So let's start. Why I built it? Let's be real. AI assistants, AI tools are incredible, but their function is constantly. Uh, the AI tools, they are really incredible, but the task of switching between your text editor and AI tools and prompting again and again, that takes some time and some effort for the programmer. So I've been working in this plugin, and guess what? It's working perfectly. So my idea was simple. Type some prompt like this in natural language, send it to an API, and the API will instantly respond back with some code snippets. No more distraction, and everything will be run in background. So let's see the demo. As I told you, I already typed it here. I can select it and then use my shortcut key. So I have made shortcut key as Command Option G. See, the net password, it is typing by itself. I'm not typing it. So it's going to generate some password with special characters and numbers and digits, of course. Perfect. So I can show you another demo. Suppose you want a Python code to call an API. I don't know, you can be more specific. This is just for demo purpose. Now I'll hit my shortcut key and see it import request, the API URL, and then print JSON. Perfect. You can ask anything you want. Let's try last one. PHP function that checks if a string is palindrome. Forget about the typos. It will still return me the code snippet. See, is palindrome, and it's just check the reverse string. Perfect. So I hope you guys, understood what I made as this plugin. So let me now jump into the challenge that I faced. Okay, so as I built this one, it was working fine, and when I decided to use it time and again, I quickly ran into a major challenge, and that was, since the plugin makes request to an external API, every time I hit the shortcut, it sends a new request from my computer, right? And as after a certain number of requests, there will be some, rate limiting from the API side, and the IP will be banned. And it was, super frustrating that it could not respond me with the code snippet that I want. Instead, it would return me something like, the API request limit has been reached or something. So if you have ever done web scraping, managed, multiple accounts, or worked with APIs, you know, very frequently calling APIs, this could be tricky when your IP gets flagged or blocked or blacklisted. That's when I realized I needed a better solution. So I, surfed in the internet and found out this amazing tool. You can go and check this out, floppydata.com. If you haven't heard of it, it's a advanced proxy service that is designed to handle exactly this kind of challenges. So when you are dealing with blocked websites, managing multiple accounts, or facing IP bans and restrictions like I did, this would be your go-to solution. It can completely turn things around. The major advantages or the major features of floppy data that I got really attracted by, where it offers multiple IPs from around 195 plus countries in the world, and it includes residential, mobile, and data center proxies as well. You can even fine tune your proxy selection by city, or some or like simulating real user behavior, and it provides fresh IP constantly, rotating um, as you go on hitting the APIs more. Also, the security part, I found it very secure, because it would be useful even if I am using it for some sensitive operations. And the most important thing, the pricing. The pricing, if you see here, you can see the pricing, and if you go through the details, it is too much affordable, because it starts at just $0.9 per GB of proxy traffic, and that is way too affordable, as far as I know. Also, centralized team management, because you can manage your whole team's proxy from one dashboard. That makes it stand out amongst the other solutions. And I successfully integrated this feature into my plugin, so that I don't run out of my API requests. So, as you got to know, that found I ran into some a major problem because of API rate limiting, and how did I solve it? So let me give you a quick review of how I made the plugin. So whenever I select it and hit my shortcut key, it will capture the current selection and provide it to the external API, so that the external API can respond back with the proper source code or the code snippet that I need. And then I would just make it, uh, what should I say, the typing animation, something like typing animation, just like the most of the AI tools do, like ChatGPT. So if you are into coding, automation, scraping, and anything, this tool is very important to you. And if you want to have a demo, or you want to access this plugin, you can comment in the comment section below. I would be happy to share this plugin with you. And as far as the floppy data is concerned, you can also use the promo code to get up to 30% off. I have provided the description in the video description below. Thank you so much for watching. Uh, Please smash that like button if you found this useful. Subscribe for more tech videos, and I'll see you in the next one. Cheers, guys.